We're going into apartment 3B, which is the 3rd floor, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. And as soon as you get inside, you see a large closet here, hall closet for coats and whatever else, shoes. And as you enter, you come into the nice, bright and spacious living room area. And this has, the 3rd floor of every building has vaulted, what we call vaulted ceilings. So they pitch up and it makes the apartment appear really large, even larger than it is. And then facing the other way is our nice glass patio doors, which leads onto a nice sized balcony to sit outside in the spring and summer and enjoy the weather. So there you go. And then this leads right into the dining area, which is also a really good space, nicely lit. And then each apartment has their own thermostat to control we have central air and central heat. So you can control that to whatever temperature you desire. And then you just come right into the kitchen. And as you can see, we have really spacious countertops, which a lot of people prefer for cooking. You cooks out there. And then a microwave, gas stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, and everything you need within reach. Okay, so then we'll come down, begin to walk down the hall toward the bedrooms. And we have a super sized closet, which is very wide and big, as you can see. And then to the right, on the other side of that closet, is a linen closet for your towels and linens. And then a bathroom, of course, just nice and clean and bright. And then just to the right of that, you have the first of the 2 bedrooms. So it's a good size, has the nice high ceiling. And of course a closet, which is a good size. And it actually has a nice view back here. The trees, once they bloom in the spring. And then you come into the master bedroom, and this is a really also nice space, nice big window. And then the best feature is the walk-in closet.